Welcome to 2800 Plaza del Amo, Unit 30. 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1088 square footage, cozy and comfortable townhouse in the beautiful grounds of Summer Winds. Come in for a tour with me. Cozy and comfortable 2-bedroom townhouse in the beautiful complex of Summer Winds. Private deck where you can enjoy the cool South Bay ocean breezes. Front door opens to a warm and nostalgic interior with hardwood floors throughout. A good-sized dining area next to living room. Kitchen with a window over sink. Convenient powder room at main level. Hardwood staircase leads to a spacious upstairs primary bedroom with vaulted ceiling and wall-to-wall closet with mirror sliding doors. Primary bathroom with dual sinks and shower with enclosure. Secondary bedroom with mirror closet doors, high ceiling, and attached secondary bathroom with tub. Inside laundry area with utility sink. Attached 2-car garage with direct access and a storage room. Complex offers 3 swimming pools, tot lot, clubhouse, and meticulously managed grounds. Conveniently located near Wilson Park, Madrona Marsh Nature Preserve, Del Amo Shopping Center, Torrance Farmers Market, and more. And more importantly, within the boundaries of award-winning Torrance Unified School District. If you would like more information about this property or view it in person, or if I could add value to any of your real estate dealings, feel free to reach out to me by texting or emailing. My information is below. Thanks for watching and see you soon.